Hello, everyone. I am thrilled to announce the release of my third book, Building an LLMOps Pipeline Using Hugging Face. Thank you, everyone, for your invaluable feedback and support for my previous two books, Amazon Web Service for System Administrators and Cracking the DevOps Interview. In a world where generative AI and large language models are transforming our daily lives, we use tools like ChatGPT regularly. This book serves as a comprehensive guide to mastering LLM ops within the Hugging Face ecosystem. The book covers the foundations of machine learning and deep learning, explores the Hugging Face platform's tools and features, and delves into various use cases, including text generation, classification, image, audio, and video processing, as well as multimodal tasks. The book also provides a hands-on project to deploy an application using Hugging Face, Fast API, Docker, Amazon Web Service Elastic Container Registry, KubeScore, Amazon Web Service Elastic Kubernetes Service customized in GitHub Actions, making it a practical resource for developers and researchers looking to leverage the power of Hugging Face in their AI projects. Chapter 1: Foundations of Machine Learning and Deep Learning. In Chapter 1, we explore machine learning and deep learning fundamentals, key concepts, types of machine learning, and different models like decision trees, support vector machines, and neural networks. The chapter also introduces the role of Hugging Face in democratizing access to advanced machine learning and deep learning tools, making it easier for developers to implement sophisticated models. Chapter 2: Exploring Hugging Face, Tools, Features, and Integration for Machine Learning. Chapter 2 is all about exploring the Hugging Face platform. We look closer at the key features and offerings like the Transformers library, Datasets, Spaces, and the Hugging Face Hub. This chapter highlights how these tools simplify the process of building, sharing, and deploying powerful AI solutions, making Hugging Face an essential resource for anyone working in machine learning and NLP. Chapter 3: Mastering Transformers and Datasets with Hugging Face. In Chapter 3, we delve into the architecture of transformers and their applications across text, vision, and audio tasks. We also explore the extensive datasets provided by Hugging Face and how tools like the auto classes and pipeline modules streamline the process of building and deploying state-of-the-art machine learning models. Chapter 4: Text Generation and Classification with Hugging Face Transformers. Chapter 4 focuses on text generation and classification using Hugging Face transformers. We compare different text generation methods, explore zero-shot classification, and demonstrate how to use these powerful tools for sentiment analysis and summarization tasks. Chapter 5: Creating Pipelines for Image, Audio, and Video Processing with Hugging Face. Chapter 5 explores how to create pipelines for processing images, audio, and video using Hugging Face. We cover techniques like image classification, audio models, and even video generation with stable video diffusion, showcasing the versatility of Hugging Face's tools for multimodal tasks. Chapter 6: Document and Visual Question Answering in Multimodal Tasks with Hugging Face. Chapter 6 dives into document and visual question answering, exploring how Hugging Face can be used to tackle multimodal tasks. We discuss the preprocessing needed for these tasks and how to effectively utilize Hugging Face's models for answering complex questions based on text and visual inputs. Chapter 7: Fine-tuning a pre-trained model for sentiment analysis with Hugging Face. Chapter 7 is a hands-on guide to fine-tuning a pre-trained model for sentiment analysis. We create a sentiment analysis pipeline, fine-tuning the model to improve its accuracy and deploying the final product, making this chapter a practical resource for those looking to customize models for specific applications. Chapter 8: Project, ML Ops, AI Ops, LLM Ops, and Deploying an Application with GitHub Actions and a WSEKS. Chapter 8 is the culmination of everything we've learned so far. In this chapter, we embark on a project to deploy an application using GitHub Actions and a WSEKS. We cover setting up application code using Fast API, building Docker images, and deploying the application via Customize, providing a complete end-to-end guide to deploying AI applications. Chapter 9: Next Steps with Hugging Face, Contributing, Collaborating, and Continuous Learning. In the final chapter, Chapter 9, we discuss the next steps for working with Hugging Face, including contributing to the community, collaborating with others, and continuing your learning journey. We emphasize the importance of staying updated with the latest advancements in NLP and machine learning, and how Hugging Face provides the tools and community support to keep pushing the boundaries of AI. If you're enjoying the content so far and want to dive deeper into building LLMOps pipelines with Hugging Face, consider purchasing the book. You'll find the link in the video description below. It's a great resource to have on hand as you continue your journey in machine learning and AI.